Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. We got an airplane. Oh no, that's a helicopter flying up there, making a little noise. But it's Throwback Thursday, y'all, and I'm out here at the park that I like to fly at. I dubbed this thing Squirrel Park. I don't see any squirrels now. Maybe because it's cold out here. It is rather chilly. No more warm weather, it seems like, this fall. But anyhow, I'm out here with one of my retro quads. This time I'm out here with this guy. And this is a Hubsan X4. But this is the Hubsan X4 Spyder. And I'm not sure. I think it is definitely made by Hubsan. But I think there's some kind of side deal with this guy. Because Hubsan don't let anybody use their protocol. I'm sure of that. And so this is a official Hubsan, but it's the Hubsan Spyder. I forgot what other name was attached to this thing, but awesome looking Hubsan X4. Looks a whole lot better than the original one, in my opinion. It does come in orange as well. I have the orange version too. Maybe I'll bring the orange version out another day. But today I got this one out. This one is the one that started everything with the micros as far as the toy grades are concerned with these drones. And it flies a little, you can tell that it's one of the first because it seems like the accelerometer and all and the 6-axis stabilization isn't as advanced as some of the later quads. But this thing is still awesome. It's very fast, a little hard to control. I wouldn't recommend this guy for beginners, especially on the high rates. It's really, really fast and hard to control. Can get out of hand really quick. And it doesn't bank as well as some of the newer quads did. But you can get it to bank if you turn all the rates down and everything. But I didn't do any of that stuff. I got this thing up on normal rates. Actually, I don't even think I set it up on this transmitter. So everything is going to be full high rates. But let's get this guy in the air because we're losing light. This thing does have lights on it though. The lights are on the top part of the arms right here though. So I don't know if they're really good for night flying, but we might find out. Let's get this guy in the air. Let's see if all the channels are correct. Yep. You can see this thing is real twitchy. Check it out. That's how you do the flips though. You have to, there's no one button press for the flips. You have to rock it side to side as if you're doing like a manual flip. Let's try that. Oh. And I forgot you have to have manual flips switched on in order to actually do them as well. So you see those are the lights there. I think I do have it set up though. Let me try it again. Okay, there we go. So I have it set up on my momentary switch. Let's try it. Kind of cool with this transmitter to fly it and do a flip because you can actually get a flip going while you're moving forward. Whoops. Forgot to hit the switch. So I gotta hold this momentary switch down in order to do a flip. Wow, you can actually do a flip moving forward, a loop, with this transmitter here. Let's try it again. Oh man, it's not gonna let me flip anymore. The code did a number on the battery already. Let's zip it around a little bit. Kinda got dark out here. Not sure if it looks like it's dark in the camera though, because this camera on this phone is really good in low light conditions. It makes it seem like it's not too dark out here. Oh, I hit the tree. Kinda hard to see or make out your orientation with it flashing like this. Check out the yaw. Pretty fast yaw, y'all. And the accelerometer on this thing kind of gets confused if you're whipping it too fast and doing too many yaw spins or whatnot. It kind of develops a hard lean. I think that's because of the 6-axis not being as new. You know, the 6-axis wasn't that good back when this guy came out, this Hubsan board. So that might be a false LVC, but it's not going to let me do any more flips though. Let's try it again. See, won't let me flip over even if I hold the momentary switch down, but it'll let me fly around for a while though. Hopefully you guys can see it, because out here it's dark. I could barely see it. I'm trying to bank it the best I could now. Not really that good at banking. Oh, I banked it that time. Not bad for a funnel there. Trying to spin around on one arm. The yaw isn't the problem. It's just holding the pitch when it's in yaw. When you apply the yaw, the pitch kind of lets up. So when you're going slow, you can keep your pitch deep. But as you start to yaw a little faster, the pitch just starts to straighten out on you. Check it out. See there, that's full pitch and full yaw. So the pitch doesn't stay deep on it. Well, let's bring it in because it's getting me nervous. It's kind of dark out here and it's flashing. I just feel like I'm gonna crash this guy, lose orientation with it flashing like this. The Hubsan X4 Spyder. Awesome little retro quad for Throwback Thursday. Thanks for watching.